Chances to survival. Time for Darwin. Thus for this all changes to the in of such species arising correlating aspects of interwoven species system not secondary to its ecosystem crossing over to these boundaries of it, branching to other ecosystems, which does not mean a social species crosses such a boundary but instead laps first only onto the ground of ecosystems such of other species would have not necessary to its part to it. Instead the use of one's path possibility is involuntary to cross a different ecosystem usually effectors to one's options of utilizing their own speciality to own of survival is hostile towards every ecosystem unfitted to, for thus it's like a path with most obstacles to it. Thus every step counteracting factoring in that the speciality of species gives rise to especially this, it's basically like entered new ecosystem equals pause button. Hence all obstacles blocking path. Nonetheless, it should result, at least for it, at only futile to forcing a break to one's primal possibilities, altering chances of secondary traits to survival, and for it, the setting towards a true-to-exploit niche in of ecosystem that serves towards a secondary boundary for integration of one's own best of survival, not chances to it, thus branching out the ecosystem of one's defined part and such for it ecosystem. Then too, stepping out of reflex to a second, different to one's own ecosystem, leaving trace by dying for more of one species, later after learning having the ability of mirroring behavior leading to different chances of survival, leading back to resort for which was before, hence action taken and resolvement of obstacles blocking the path. For example, the curvature of fins would arise to thus different done, thus use of ecosystem from its course to its own of benefactory. Nonetheless, when entering a new ecosystem, still a fish with such fins, thus same or much similar behavior.